This video is a Learn It lesson, and we can pretend to open a book, as you can see in our picture. We will use manipulatives to help us in our maths learning. We will use a number line and we will use our hands. If you don't have a number line, you can either draw one or use online digital manipulatives such as those on mathsbot.com. So our number line from 0 to 10. To remember and use our number line, we can think of a frog, like we can see here. A frog sitting on our number line. We can think of our numbers as lily pads, and then our frog jumps lily pad to lily pad when we add. And we can pretend to be a frog and say ribbit, ribbit when we jump. So jump, ribbit, ribbit. We show the frog jumping, ribbit, ribbit, using arrows and numbers. So one jump for adding 1. We'll also use our hands and fingers for help, to help us see numbers and patterns when we add. So if we start with our number line and then we look at our first calculation, we've got 3 add 6 equals. And we can form an addition sign with our arms for add. We look again at the numbers and we want the larger number first. Which is larger, 3 or 6? Well, I'd rather have 6 sweets than 3 sweets, so we swap. We've got a red number 6 with a red circle around it, and now we're adding a blue 3. So instead of 3 add 6, we've got 6 add 3. We do this because it's quicker to add 3 rather than add 6, and we get the same answer. This is called commutative. But we can just think of just swapping, then moving our hands, pointing across each other like the arrows in our picture. So this is commutative. We swap. So we start with the red 6 in our red circle, and we store this number in our fist, putting our fist in the air. We can also put a red circle on the 6 on our number line. So the number 6 is stored in our fist. We then hold up how many jumps, ribbit, we have using our fingers. So we've got a blue 3 there, and then we hold up 3 fingers for 3 jumps, ribbit. So there's our 3 jumps. We've got 6 in our fist. We then count on from 6 using our fingers. So we can either put one finger up at a time, so 6, 7, 8, 9, or we can 6 in the fist, 3 there, and point. 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is the last number we say. We can see our mouth here and point to our mouth. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 was the last number I've said, and 9 is our answer. We can also show these jumps, ribbit, on our number line. As you can see, our 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3, to get to our answer, 9. Our next question is 4 add 4 equals, also known as double 4 because there's 2 of them. The numbers are the same, so there's no need to swap. We have our red 4 in our red circle and our blue 4. We store our red 4 in our fist, putting our fist in the air. We can also put a red circle on our number line where the 4 is. So the number 4 is stored in our fist. We then hold up how many jumps, ribbit, we have using our fingers. So 4 in our fist, 4 fingers to add on, 4 jumps to add on, ribbit. We then count on from 4 using our fingers. So 4 in our fist, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 4 in our fist, 4 fingers and point, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last number we said, we can point to our mouth to remember this, the last number we said is our answer. So remember, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We said 8 last, so 8 is our answer. We can also show these jumps, ribbit, on our number line to get to our answer. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we get to our answer, 8. We now have 5 add 0. We have a 0 here, which tricks some people. We don't have to swap as the largest number is first already. I'd rather have 5 sweets than no sweets. As usual, we have a red 5, add a blue 0, and we put our red 5 in our fist. We put a red circle on our number line, and then we think about our blue 0. But we have no jumps, ribbit, and no fingers to add. So 5 stays as our answer. We can point to our mouth, because 5 add 0 is 5. There we go. There's no jumps to add on to our number line, so the answer stays as 5. Our last question, 4 add 6 equals. We'd like our larger number first though. Is the larger number first? No, it isn't, as I'd rather have 6 sweets than 4 sweets. So we swap. We swap to give us 6 add 4 equals. We store our red 6 in our fist, and we can also put a red circle on the 6 on our number line. We have a blue 4, so 4 to add on now. So 4 jumps, ribbit, and 4 on our hand, 4 fingers on our hand. So 6 in our fist, 4 fingers, 4 jumps, ribbit. We then count on from the 6 in our fist using our fingers. So 6, and there's 4, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And remember, the last number we say, point to our mouth, is our answer. So let's do that again a different way. So 6 in our fist, 4 fingers. This time I'm going to point to them. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the last number I said was 10. We can also show these jumps, ribbit, on our number line again. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps, ribbit, to get to our answer, 10. In this video, we looked at addition, concentrating on adding numbers within 10. Our steps to success, we can hopefully say at the end of this video, are number 1, I can swap numbers to add within 10. And number 2, I can remember the first number. And number 3, I can count on, ribbit, to get to the answer. This has been a Teaching Alive short video taken from themed units aimed at learners aged 7 to 11. Throughout our videos, we use pictures and suggest actions for teaching points. So please join in with us to support learning and have some fun. For more information on the Teaching Alive project and to be shown to learn and to practice more, visit teachingalive.co.uk.